Subscribe to Nova India and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Hello guys, welcome to Nova India. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install TWRP recovery in your Redmi 4A. So this is my phone, Redmi 4A. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install TWRP recovery. So make sure to hit the like button and watch the full video. Don't miss any step. If you miss any step, your phone may also lock into the bootloader or boot. So make sure to watch full video. So for installing TWRP recovery, what and all the files required, all the things will be in the description below. And even for the people who want to root their phone, I'll give the super SU file also. So before that, turn off your device and take phone into fast boot mode with volume down plus power button. So now my phone is booted into fast boot mode. Now take the USB and connect it with your PC. And this is the TWRP recovery file. It is in the desktop. I will copy it and go to local disk C, program files bracket into 86. So you can see here program files into 86. Open it. You can see a folder named minimal adb fastboot. So you have to paste the recovery file which you have extracted here. You have to paste it here, and sorry, I've skipped it. You have to click continue. So now I have installed the recovery. I have pasted the recovery file here. Now go back and first, sorry, for before going back, you have to rename this file into TWRP recovery, or else you need to type all the text in the command prompt later. So now go back to the folder and select the minimal adb fastboot device again, and shift plus right click. Press shift plus right click. So this window will be opened. Oh, sorry. Shift plus right click. So the window will be open and you have to press open command window here. Now you can see, I'll show that open command window. Yes, you can see here open command window. So you need to click it. And you have to click it. So for checking what and all things you need to type, I'll tell you now. So this window will be over, this command prompt window will be opened. So for checking whether your phone is properly connected with the device, with the PC, for type fast boot devices, fast boot devices, and see, I will type here first fast boot devices, fast boot devices, and you have to press enter, and this thing will be, you can see this thing, which means your phone has been successfully connected with the PC. So now you have to type is fast boot flash recovery dot sorry twrp dot img space recovery space twrp dot img, sorry, twrp dot img. So this is the twrp img is the file name. I have named it TWRP because it will short is best, or else you need to type all the name of that file. So now as you can see, it's showing finished writing recovery, and it is showing both 2 times okay, which means I have installed TWRP recovery in my phone. Now it is in fastboot mode. I will take it, I will power it on and take it to TWRP recovery mode. So yeah, now I have powered on and I will take it to, I will first turn off it and take it to recovery mode to show you whether I have successfully installed or not. So for taking into recovery mode, power up plus sorry power plus volume up button, power up plus volume button. Okay, now the file which I gave you is in Chinese version, which is latest. So before going in, some people may not understand this. So whatever you get, if you get the window like this, press this option, sorry press this option and swipe the screen. So it is in Chinese. I'll go back and show you how to change the language. You have to click this option under that globe like option, which is language option. English option. You have now successfully, it is changed into English. Okay, now the lazy flasher file is the lazy flasher in flash it. So now what you have to do, you have to press it and swipe it. So